Hello friends, today's topic, heavy crash in markets, what should investors do now? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. 2 days of significant fall for Nifty and the sentiment has become very bearish for Indian markets. Nifty has fallen for 5 continuous days now from 19,800 to around 19,100. FIIs have been continuously selling stocks in Indian markets. There is currently one major reason for the fall in Indian markets and the global markets, and that is continuing attacks of Israel against Palestinians. Even now, the Israeli Defense Forces have once again warned the Palestinians of further attacks from air. As per reports, more than 700 people have been killed in Gaza due to overnight air raids by Israelis. This is the highest 24-hour death toll since the war started. As of now, there seems to be no immediate end to this war between Israel and the Palestinian group Hamas. War situations are always negative for global stock markets since it causes a lot of uncertainty and tension. Although this war is not as severe as Russia-Ukraine war, it has a potential to become bigger than the present situation if other countries decide to interfere. In fact, as per some technical indicators, Nifty and many individual stocks are trading at low valuations due to the current weaknesses in markets. Now, here is the Nifty graph in front of you. Nifty 50 30 DMA's graph and 30 DMA 17,718, Nifty current level 19,122. Nifty 50 RSI has come down to 32, which is almost like an oversold position. As you can see, Nifty is in don't buy zone for short term. Nifty's RSI is 32. As per theory of RSI, RSI of 30 is oversold zone and RSI 70 is overbought zone. As of now, RSI is almost in the oversold zone. Usually it bounces back when RSI is very low. So markets may recover a bit in a few days since RSI does not stay so low for a long time. Now here is the graph of the Bollinger Bands of Nifty 50 and you can see it has gone down the Bollinger lower band. Stock prices usually move within the Bollinger Bands. Whenever the stock index price is below the lower band, it usually bounces back to move within the Bollinger Band. Similarly, when the stock price moves above the top band of the Bollinger Band, it usually falls to move back within the band. As of now, Nifty has fallen below the lower band and hence higher chance of some recovery. Now, what should the investors do in this difficult situation? One, for long-term investors. Apart from regular SIP, long-term investors could have and can still do some lump sum investment since many stocks have fallen significantly the last few weeks. Even if you don't have any lump sum amount, don't stop or postpone SIP thinking that you can invest if and when the markets fall further. Number two, for short-term investors. There are very few opportunities for short-term trades since there is a downtrend continuously and currently. However, when the technical indication arises, then there is a good chance of a profitable rally. The last 2 to 3 opportunities were not very profitable. Wait patiently for the right time to buy for short term. Here is an announcement, video at 8 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, and the topic is 1 minute stock market class. The link is in the description box below. At the end of the video, here is a question. Nifty is currently at 19,122. Do you feel that it will fall below 19,000 level in this particular fall? Yes or no, that you can type in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.